welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a nail art haul. This is my first time ever ordering from Shein. Actually, it's two orders. I got the first one about a week and a half ago, and then this one just came yesterday, and then I have one little one from AliExpress, and then just two little glitters I found at Michael's. There's so much stuff on Shein, I couldn't even believe it. The first thing I got are these swatch sticks. I needed some of those. I have like round ones, but I wanted to try these with the longer handles on them. And then I got this little, I don't even know what it's called, but it's to bend your, like these metal decorations, because sometimes they won't sit if they're too big. They, you know, won't fit on the curve of the nail. So, let me see. Smaller than I pictured. But yeah, I guess you just lay the, let me see, I'm gonna use one of these little hearts. If I can pick it up. So I'm guessing you just lay it in there and then put this on top. Let me see if it, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I guess I should have looked at the instructions, but it did curve it a little bit. It's hard to tell. It did curve it a little bit. Okay, let's see what's next. These are just some little nail art stickers. Yeah, just different little designs. This one has a moon on it. Just something different. Don't have really anything like this, so I thought they were cute. And then some more nail stickers. These are so cute. Oh, I didn't know there's like 3 in there. These are like Disneyland stickers. Has like the castle, the Cinderella carriage, mermaid, a little carousel. These ones like fade into different colors, like rainbow. And then I believe, yeah, I think these are all the same designs, just different colors. These are the black, and then these are the gold. So cute for whenever I go to Disneyland, do my Disney nails. And then this is just a little binder, little wallet thing to keep your nail stickers in. I just have them laying in a drawer right now, so I needed something to keep those in, so not too bad. And then some more stickers. These are the Care Bears, super cute. I had to get 2 of them. I think there's three sheets in each pack. Yeah, so cute. Oh, adorable. So I had to get 2 sets of those. And then these are just some little charms. Get my scissors. Just some moons, little like metal string looking things, and then some little rhinestones. I don't want them to spill, but yeah, just some little moons, and then little gold strings, and then some little baby rhinestones. These are just some different nail art rhinestones, little flowers, different sizes. And then these are also some different colored rhinestones. Oh, those black ones are pretty. They have like a bluish tint to them too. Those are pretty. And then just some, I guess, Starburst, I think they call them. Super cute. And then some more, yeah, little charms. This one also has moons and the little stars and a bunch of different colored rhinestones, and there's a couple of the big gems in there. Oh, these are cute. So many different things in here. Little rocks. Let's see right there, like little rocks. Those are cute. I'm telling you, this Shein is very addicting. I have like 2 more orders coming. So that was it for the first. And then I'm just going to show you this little AliExpress. I did an order a couple weeks ago, and just this is the only thing that's come so far. But they're just the big Christmas little Kawaii charms. I don't know if they're considered Kawaii, but the big charms. So those are cute. I got a lot of Christmas stuff coming. Hopefully it comes in time for Christmas. I'm doing Christmas nails. And then these are just from Michaels. They're only 99 cents. There's little gold reindeers. And then these holographic snowflakes. It's a pretty good size. 0.25 ounces, 7 grams for 99 cents. So I didn't think that was bad at all. And then this is the second order. These, I'm not really sure how to use these. I've never used them, but you put them on the nail and it's supposed to make the charm spin. You glue one part to the nail and then glue a charm on top, and it's supposed to make the charm spin while it's on your nails. So I'm gonna have to try that out. These are some of the paper little decorations. I love these. These ones are like under the sea themed. They have fish, there's like a mermaid. Sorry, it's not focusing. It's like a mermaid, a seahorse, so many cute little things in there. Do the little mermaid nails. And then these are also some paper decorations, which I wish I would have had these when I did this set, but I can do another fall set. But these are just paper, little fall leaves. Cute. And then I just got these because, I don't know, they're the little toe tips to put on. I don't have anything like this, so I was like, oh, I'm just gonna get these and just to have them and see what I can do with them. And then these are just some neon flowers, and they have little round pieces in there too, just neon flowers with little dots in there. And then these are just some French tip tool things. To do different French tips. Different round or pointier. They have like a pointier one. Just to have those. There's a lot in here. These are some little hearts that were super cute. Just different colors. Valentine's Day. This is for your nail cuticle nippers to put on top. It's a cat paw. I love cats, so had to get that. These are super cute little gummy bears. I like these because they're pretty small, so they're not huge. So I would actually wear these, you know, on my nail set, like, you know, all the time. 'Cause yeah, they're like a good size. Sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing. I mean, that's a pretty good size. Almost just as big as the sticker. So they're super cute. And then these like dessert charms. There's French fries, ice creams. I've never done any type of like Kawaii nails or anything with big charms, so I'm excited to start doing those. These are some lollipops, so cute. And then these are super cute. This is like a little girl with blowing a bubble. I think one of the bubbles did come off one of them. Oh, yep, that one. Look at that, so cute. She's blowing a bubble, so I had to get those. Fix that one. And then these are some lips. Thought to do like Valentine's. This is the one that's turned the right way. So cute. And then we got some strawberries. Next we have some little snowflakes with rhinestones. And then we have some more little bears. Those are a good size too, not too big. Really cute, different colors. And then some Christmas, the paper nail art. There's 3 in here. First one is some little Santa Clauses. There's like a Santa hat, the full Santa, and then there's just one with like the Santa head. And then this one has snowmen. It's hard to see. Little snowmen, little like gloves, little sweater gloves, little stars. Oh, there's a bell with like a bow on it. Those are cute. And then the last one is candy canes, Christmas trees, snowmen, stockings, little mittens. Cute. And then this is just, says a dip powder recycling system. I'm just going to use it for if I sprinkle the nails with the glitter. It comes with a little funnel. And then, oh, I guess there's a couple in here. Oh no, one piece, sorry. Okay, I have to figure out how to put it together and all that. I guess like this, and then yeah, just put your nail over it and catches all the glitter or dip powder. So I needed one of those. I didn't have one of those. Whoops. I think there's one thing left. And these are super cute little flowers, and they have little silver beads in there, different sizes. And the flowers are also different sizes. They're flat on one side. I would even put the little gold balls in the middle of the flowers. That would be cute. I believe that is it. Yep. So that's all my stuff here. Oh my goodness, I can't even fit it all here, but but I hope you enjoyed. I do have 2 more orders coming from Shein, and then like I said, I still have some things coming from AliExpress, but I'm not sure. Some of them say December 15th, but sometimes they show up sooner, so I hope so. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.